am Nora Crystal, and today we are trading Shadow Dragon Part 2 to see what people always are again. Because last time actually they did not have a lot of good officers. So let's see what happened in this server. Okay, so exactly I'm in this rich server. Okay, see, people is around here. Okay, so everyone is trading. So I'm taking on my Shadow Dragon. It's called Sherry. Hello, Mr. Sherry. Oh, hello. Sherry, I think today, to take this part 2, we're going to be exciting and great. What y'all thinking? I think it's pretty good somehow. Okay, Sherry, give me some lucky. Okay, Sherry. Oh my God, it's a dodo bird. Oh, Sherry, what you thinking? No, it's so not good option. Okay, Sherry. So we could say no for it. Okay, another officer. Oh, a bad dragon, a neon golden red. Sherry, what was you thinking? It's probably not good. Oh, it's your not good face. Okay, Sherry, it's okay. You can try on another person then. Oh, it's the same person. Oh my God, Sherry, look. It's neon oil. Let's try to get that. Sherry, are you hear me? Yes, of course, sorry. Yeah, you heard me. It's a good idea. It's good. Sherry, I wanna see a lot of officers from this server. You're just doing a part 2, and they does not have more good officers. You're going to doing a part 3. I don't know that if the part 2 here has a good officer lot, maybe I going to escape this trade by somehow. So now exactly I have to see what people trade. Oh, no one's trading you. Let's just do like this instead. Trading Shadow Dragon. Oh my God, how about you trade it for your giraffe dream pet? Oh, I know that I get giraffe, but somehow it's a long time and I don't want to get more. I'm like, if I want to get, I want it for giraffe and parrot. What you thinking? Oh my God, it's a very, very good trait. I know. Because parrot can help with me for a new thing with something else. And guys, also you guys know that you guys are so lucky right now. When you guys watching this video, click the subscribe button and like button and also enjoy the video. When the 100 subscriber head up on me, I'm going to giving away you guys some egg for you guys also. Make sure to subscribe and say something in the comment section down below, guys. And thank you so much. Wait, someone exactly have a neon shadow? That's pretty nice. Okay, let's take my Sherry to posting. Okay, so Sherry, let's get into the posting right now. Okay. And next video, I am going to making some neon legend pets. So make sure you guys just watch it. Oh my God! Yay, Sherry is posting. It's going to full ground soon. I just trained my full ground for some pet. Okay, so I just seeing here. Why no one trade my Sherry? I'm gonna say trading Shadow Dragon. Come on, please, someone trade my Sherry. My Sherry is about to waiting the officer. Wait, someone actually have a new Shadow Dragon? It's a cool. And I'm trying to making some neon pet pie somehow because of me too. Sure. Yes. I want to observe too. Okay, so actually no one trained me here. Wait a minute. A diamond dragon can get a. So a diamond pet is not losing wow. Yes, so can you for shadow dragon? Aww, sad probably no. But I hope diamond pet losing wow and win trade. I want them to. Oh my god! But diamond pet, I'm going to werewolf get diamond pet soon. Well, see. Only a 160 day I got it. Yeah, maybe. Okay, so guys, I have to put my Sherry. Yes, what? Okay, Sherry, stay here and stop. Why no one have a candy can on and shoot the candy on me? I'm gonna set Training Shadow Dragon. Huh? Wait a minute. Neon Parrot with a Shadow Dragon? Wow, that's pretty. Wait. Sorry, nope. Okay. Okay, so anything else? I would love to, but no. Everyone, please trade my Sherry trading Shadow Dragon named Sherry. Trading Shadow Dragon named Sherry. Yes, someone actually trained me. Okay, so 2 parrot. I don't know what is this tree, but can you put T-Rexes? So I have 134 my T-Rex. Said no. I know it's now on me. Okay guys, and I tell you guys some special thing right now. Oh my god, it's a neon oil. Someone have to neon oil. It's the Glepton is uncommon pet, but when it ride, I think it's over for the legendary pet because when I trade it, I got a legendary pet Kitsune. Oh my god, it's good trick, right? I know, and they still add more for it. Oh my god, that's so sick. I know it's so sick trick. And also, guys, that has more big deal on you guys. All is Neon Total is kinda over for Neon Crow right now. So you guys understand what I'm talking about it? Now it's so pain. Okay, let's try to get some. Get this. Okay, let's try it. It's okay. And guys, wait, it's a Lomiasis? Wait. Angel Ice Plate. Oh my god, why the name is so long? I add everything. No, please, I add everything for that. Oh my god, it's Lomiasis. Oh, hi. Okay, so my Sherry. Sherry, I think we have to do part 3. No, you have to finish on part 2. No, Sherry, I don't have time for that. You have to trade it quickly. Wait. Oh my god. Look the trades. Oh my god. If they agree, you are going to escape, right? Yeah, maybe. But only 2 is not fair on me, though. I know. I think this is for 3 because Pet Dragon is worth 2. Yeah, right? Yes, of course. Wait, it's about tonight. I love the way you lie. I have to take out Mr. Cutie. So guys, Mrs. Sherry, say something before we end this video. Go to part 3. I'm actually sick. I'm sorry for you guys already, and I'm so sorry for video today because this part 2 actually no one is skipping our trade. So well, let's see in a part 2 between it. Okay, you wanna say something more? I wanna say something more about it. Make sure to click the subscribe button and like button if you wanna see more video in next part 3. So make sure to subscribe and like the channels right now. I am thank you so much for you guys all, and I hope that I can make no rap again. That's all what you wanna say, dude? Yes, of course. Okay, so guys, make sure to click the subscribe button and like button to supporting my channel, and also say something in the comment section down below. I thank you so much. Okay. Actually, right now, the trade, I got some trade, but it's the trade is not good, so I can't escape with the bad trade. I'm so sorry. Okay, so I'm gonna set trading Shadow Dragon. Trading Shadow Dragon. Trading Shadow Dragon. Okay. What is the oh my god, my dream pet Mega Neon. Oh my god. Oh my god, it's so shiny. Wow, you are so rich. And why your dream pet is a hedgehog? Because her heart is good inside for the common and fairy effects. So good, girl. Okay, so no thank you. Training. Okay. Okay. Oh, sorry. Okay. So guys, actually, this is the end for the part 2. Mr. Sherry has really good. So I trade for the Frost Dragon, Parrot, Oil, and Emerald Unicorn. Oh my god, this is so a good trade. So make sure to click the subscribe button and like button to see more trade officer. And thank you guys so much. Goodbye guys. Mr. Sherry has end of the week. Bye guys. Bye bye.